Over here at the refrigerator and freezer, we have our on and off button. To turn it on, you simply just need to tap it once and that will turn on. To turn it off, you'll actually have to hold it down for 3 seconds. When it's on, there are different modes. I always leave it at A for automatic, and this automatically registers when we're plugged in, and when you're unplugged, it automatically switches itself to propane. If you want to manually switch the settings, you can go to propane or electric simply by just pushing the mode button, and here we have a little plug for electric and then gas for propane, little kind of a water sign, and automatic. For temperature setting, you have 1 to 5 snowflakes, 5 being the coldest, which is what I usually leave it at.